morning, G Nation. Bernie Grease here from Superior Restoration and Construction. Happy Friday to you. Hopefully you're wearing red today. Again, remember everybody deployed are true heroes or overseas. Today's topic, open concept. Let's take the wall out. Buy that house, open up the kitchen. We've seen it all the time on the TV shows. The big dramatic reveal. They pulled the wall out like magic. Well, that was structure of the home. Was it a load bearing? Everybody knows how to look at a load bearing, but there's so many other parameters to a home when you're taking walls out. This home that we're at right now at River's Edge, this was a load bearing wall. 2 stories, roof load, everything coming down on this entire location. Working together with structural engineers, we've actually magically removed the wall. We have a steel beam in here. We have seismic post loads. We have micro lamps. We have 4 beams that are running in here all the way across, picking up at that post and going to the other side. This entire wall is covered in plywood, sheathing, creating a shear panel, and we have 6-inch metal straps that are running all the way across the wall. All for what? Seismic shear. Yes, we took the wall out. Yes, we took the load. But the one thing that everybody talks about, oh, it's not load bearing. Well, not everything of a home is load bearing. Take, for instance, I've used a box here as an example. This is our house, okay? It's supported, we have interior walls, we have exterior walls. No, I don't have a fancy computer and no graphics here, I'm using a cardboard box. So, our strength is from all the different parameters and wall of the box. But we take out an interior wall, what happens? Now walls can move as far as in a seismic event. We, at this location, I'm only a mile away from the epicenter of the big 2001 Nisqually earthquake. When we did this house on a huge seismic load to make sure that we were taking care of any movement within walls. These walls, you can't just take a wall out and think that, oh, it's just the structure coming down. Yes, that's the snow load. That's the weight of a 2nd-story floor. That, oh, it's not a load-bearing wall. I hear it all the time. But there's more to the load-bearing, and that is the shear strength of a home when you're taking walls out. So when you take a wall out, make sure that you're consulting, bring in a GC, talk to a structural engineer. You might need to bring in metal brackets, different seismic aspects into foundation and such. How are you handling shear? This wall here is an example. This entire wall behind the drywall has plywood, 5/8 plywood coming all the way across to create a shear panel that ties in at all our intersecting angles of all the different walls and beam structure that took or replaced the wall that was here. So again, when you're going for an open concept, make sure that you're covering all the parameters of what the home needs to protect itself. If the earth starts shaking and things start moving, make sure that you've covered and protected yourself and the home in that remodel. Again, if you have any questions, give us a jingle here at Superior Restoration and Construction. Have a great day. It's time for me to get back to work.